Good night, good morning, and assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to fast number 6. Out early this morning. I do want to do what I done yesterday, where it just was an absolute nightmare of a day, rushing around everywhere. And to top it all off, the bus journey into town and out of town was horrendous. Really busy. Most of my travelling in Turkey has always been really good, but yesterday's journey for some reason was an absolute nightmare. But also, once I got out late, then I was just rushing around everywhere. Today, hopefully, I'll have a lot more time. Going to structure my day a little bit, so let's see how that goes. Also, I didn't do anything for breakfast this morning, because now that we're into a week of fasting, the body doesn't really miss food at all. So I don't really eat breakfast from now on. First weigh-in is in a couple of days' time, so I'm hoping to have lost weight, although I don't look like it. But hey, who knows? Let's see how it goes anyway. In an area called Kepez, which is right on top of the mountains. Really a lot around here, a lot of development going on. Look at this mosque. Such a huge structure right in the middle of the developments that are going on. Beautiful, massive as well. Unbelievable. How nice is that? Stunning mosque. Very windy around here, and if you have a look down there, you can see we are actually up on a mountain, and they've just laid, like, tried to flatten it, and they're building all around. This is the old development, and if you have a look that way, all brand new developments being made. All brand new developments. Again, I can't get my head around how much they are building. It really is unbelievable, the amount of work that they are doing here. This is a ticket machine for the buses. That's an Antalya card. What you do, you bring your card over here, you just stick it onto the machine there. It tells you its total, and you can top up. Really good system, really easy system. And let me show you the views. This is what I'm saying. How big is it? How big is this area? Antalya, growing daily, absolutely massive. You can make out the sea far over there, so I'd say for about 25-30 minutes drive to it, and it's just absolutely huge. There we go. Beautiful sign of I love Kepez. As I said in one of my previous videos, every borough you go to, they have their own town name, so you know exactly where you are. The streets actually have the village names on it, and every area, local, like a focal point, is a park. It's open space for families. I mean, this area is kept really clean, really nice. There's a kids play area there. Looking around, you've got toilet facilities here. You've got like a mosque there just in front of us. You can spend time, come, pray, and generally, like I said, very nice area. Because it's still winter season, it's closed at the moment, but the park area for the kids is still open. You can play. As anything, in everything I've seen, family life is the way forward. You come here, there's a basketball court just in front of me, exercise area. I've been really impressed with the outside living available in Turkey. These are toilets, really clean. 2 Turkish lira to use. Me, typical, not looking at sign, went into the women's one just so it ain't busy, but got to say, really clean. The women's were better than the men's. Really clean, really tidy, looked after. Only one problem: no toilet paper. So if you're going to come here, come, but make sure you bring your own toilet paper. No food video of diary time today. I was with a lot of boys and people and family, and I didn't really want to get the video out and do it in front of all the kids. It would have been chaos. All I had was one date, actually 2 dates, and some fruit and bits and bobs. Nothing really spectacular. But as of today, fast number 6 is complete. It was very easy. Didn't feel the food or the water today. It was a horrible windy day. Anyway, time for Dravi. Head down to the mosque and back down to my local and see what happens. End of fast number 6. The Dravi again, very quick. He actually finished in less than 30 minutes. That was exactly 28 minutes he finished. This is laid up for fasting after the Dravi Mosque. It's 9:30 and a business comes out and gives sweets to everyone after their prayers. Beautiful.